Guys, welcome back. Today, I get to do Majin Buu, my Among Us character I did for Inktober Day 3, bulky. Yeah, if you guys do not have yourselves a set of these Ohuhu Alcohol-Based Markers, I don't know what you guys are waiting on, but you gotta get them. All right, this is the colors that I'm using for today. That's for the grass, for the mountains. Yeah, we got ourselves a little treat today. I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a little quick sneak peek of what we're gonna do, because I always do my thumbnails first. And yeah, this guy's gonna be fun. So with that being said, go ahead, take a look. I'm gonna get started on this bad boy right here, and you guys just watch and enjoy. I'll see you guys in a second. Peace. All right, guys. Well, there you have it. There's your Majin Buu Among Us character. I absolutely love these alcohol-based markers, the Ohuhu set. Get them on Amazon for like 40, 45 bucks, something like that. If you haven't seen any of my other work as far as the Among Us characters go, the Inktober set, kind of challenge, go ahead and jump on that. These are my thumbnails, but Leviathan for day 1 Fish, Bob Ross day 2 Wisp, and Majin Buu day 3 Bulky. I got a whole bunch more to go. Got a couple in this sketchbook. Got another sketchbook over here to my left that is full of these guys right here. But yeah, guys, if you guys, man, go check it out on my page. Go look at the playlist of either custom Among Us skins or the Inktober art challenge playlist. And yeah, look forward to looking at the next coming videos and inking these things up. It's been fun. It's been real. I love you guys. Leave a like, drop a comment if you need to. And if you haven't already, subscribe. There's more to come. See you guys in a little bit. Peace.